Good morning. I am at a local park here today called O'Melveny Park. Today I was out here looking for the lazuli or lazuli bunting and the black-headed grosbeak. Spring migration is here, and I know they're creatures of habit just as we are. So I came to the exact same spot I saw them last year. And the first bird was pretty easy to find. They're pretty loud. I'm sure you can probably hear them singing behind me here. That's a black-headed grosbeak. I will be taking some video of these, and I know the bunting's gonna be a little bit harder to find. So I'm gonna enjoy this while I can. Okay, so that was it for the black-headed grosbeak. The last time I saw the lazuli bunting, tomato, potato, same thing. It was up in that ridge up there. And that means a lot of hiking. Means I gotta go up this trail, go down that little valley there, and then come right back up there, all the way up. And I don't think I'm feeling that right now. So I'm gonna end this video here. Go check out what kind of photos I got here on the D500, and I will share some of those with you. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.